did it! This is unbelievable.
Tires received completely, suspension locked. 5 meters, 10 meters, halfway there. Facility in sight, doors open. Driver door outer panel, color number VK447. Copy that. Latest transfer. 20 mm sensor, 1.2 millimeters edge, beyond straight columns.
Panel plates required. We're good.
Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge, perfect bounce.
The Penguins approved.
Best thing we've ever done.
The Penguins, the research, for everyone made this possible.
Press the start button, Sarah. You're home.
Station is ahead. Vehicle should be 200 meters north.
My God,
God, it's completely taken over.
that was a 350,000-pound vehicle.
5 år med is. Hun er fortsatt der under. 5 years of ice. She's still there underneath.
The entire colony has been living inside. The bespoke leather, the wood veneer, all gone.
Complete guano coating, all seals compromised, ice intrusion entire vehicle.
Pantheon grille cracked. Panels corroded.
They've built entire nursery in the boot, Papa. The picnic set. Handcrafted. Nested.
Slow warming, 5 degrees every 10 minutes, protecting the aluminum frame.
12 degrees, 18 degrees, seals releasing. Approach from east, ice is thicker. Emergency evacuation ordered. Never came back.
5 winters, the Penguins raised generations in there.
We restore both stories, luxury and survival. Approach from east, ice is thicker.
Slow warming, 5 degrees every 10 minutes, protecting the aluminum frame.
12 degrees, 18 degrees, seals releasing.
Easy, little ones. Safe and warm here.
Colony stays safe, vehicle gets restored.
Frame point secured here.
Load distributed. Ready for extraction.
Winch engaging. Prepare for tension.
She's free.
Easy, steady, 20 centimeters up, perfect. Secured, luxury intact despite appearance.
Tires are seized completely, suspension locked. 5 meters, 10 meters, halfway there.
Chassis BX39. Cullinan Black Badge. Bespoke Antarctic commission. My God, this is a one-of-one build.
Penguins secure and monitored. Colony will be relocated to proper habitat post-restoration.
100 kilometers to facility.
Facility in sight. Doors opening.
Vehicle secured, begin documentation phase. Temperature stabilization will take 24 hours before disassembly. Every seal destroyed, suspension seized completely, exhaust packed solid. Chassis integrity first priority.
Ice penetration 90% of body panels, average depth 4 centimeters, concentrated in door seals and floor pan.
Driver door outer panel, catalog number VK447. Copy that. Laser scan sector.
Main battery disconnected, electrical system safed. Electrical safety confirmed. Proceed with system disassembly. Door panels, mind of 12 degrees. Proceeding on schedule.
She's off, intact underneath.
Phase 1 complete. All major components cataloged and stabilized. Tomorrow we discover what's salvageable. Penguin guano contains harmful pathogens. Full PPE required. Cleaning protocol approved. Begin surface decontamination. Structural integrity maintained. Continue cleaning. Hand-formed aluminum casting. Impossible to replace. Must preserve original.
Complete biological saturation, structural integrity lost, fibers matted beyond recovery.
We're preparing exact replacement specification, Arctic blue lamb's wool, bespoke dyeing process beginning.
Frame is completely clean, ready for structural analysis.
Aluminum integrity looks promising.
Frame rail section A, 4.2 millimeters, within tolerance.
Confirmed.
Frame structurally sound, Rolls-Royce aluminum held perfectly.
Ice penetration into intake manifold, coolant passages need inspection. Block appears solid, hand-built engine, incredibly robust construction.
Day 47, Adelie colony accepting vehicle presence, nesting behavior within 10 meters.
The Penguins knew this vehicle, trusted it, made it. Frame, engine, and drivetrain are green.
But the interior, glass, and electronics are critical failures. We must address this immediately or the project is delayed.
Cooling system, electrical harness, exhaust manifolds, transmission coupling, all documented. This engine, hand-built in Goodwood, treat with absolute respect despite condition. Turbo 1, seized bearing confirmed, replacement required. Both turbos, complete replacement, ordered from Goodwood.
V12 extracted successfully. 0 additional damage.
V12 arriving engine shop.
Let's see what this hand-built masterpiece can give us.
Valve train contaminated but geometrically perfect. Clearances within 0.02 millimeters of specification.
Rolls-Royce engineering excellence confirmed.
Components at 15 minutes, 60 degrees Celsius. Contamination releasing perfectly. Excellent results.
Absolutely pristine, like new from Goodwood.
Valve seat angle 45.0 degrees. Specification met. Goodwood precision maintained in Antarctic restoration. Piston 1 installed. Compression ring gap positioned correctly. Here, in the heart of the frozen continent, the Emperor penguins begin their long march towards the sea. Every panel assessed against Rolls-Royce coachwork standards.
Aluminum requires specialized techniques, no steel body shop methods.
0.8 millimeter deviation at center, 1.2 millimeters at edge, beyond straightening tolerance.
Panel replacement required. Order from Goodwood.
180 degrees Celsius, perfect for aluminum. Traditional coachwork, lost art maintained here.
Panel perfection achieved. Rolls-Royce coachwork standard.
Easy, genuine Goodwood panels, irreplaceable. Manufactured to original Arctic Commission specification, aluminum alloy composition, Antarctic optim.
Door gap, 4.2 millimeters top, 4.0 millimeters bottom, within spec.
Every gap perfect. Rolls-Royce standard only acceptable.
Surface perfection essential for mirror finish. Continue.
Black badge gloss black on the hood and upper panels, Arctic white pearl on the doors. It's perfect. The orange accents, just like their beaks.
Paint temperature confirmed. Begin application when ready.
White pearl, perfect match to penguin breast coloring.
Orange match perfect. Adelie beak color exactly.
Rolls-Royce elegance with wildlife tribute, perfect balance.
The penguins would approve.
Best paintwork I've ever done.
Each layer adding Rolls-Royce depth. Magnificent.
Paint complete. She's a masterpiece.
It's more beautiful than I imagined. Everything honored in this incredible machine. Wildlife and luxury together, as it should be.
I can't believe I'm here watching this miracle. Thank you all so much.
Dr. Chen, it's an honor to have you here for completion.
100 millimeter, 50 millimeter.
25 millimeters.
Contact.
Engine seated perfectly, 0 clearance issues.
The heart returns.
A few more degrees, almost. There's the click. It's in.
First of hundreds, but most important symbolically.
My research becomes part of this vehicle's soul.
I have no words. The penguins, the research, the luxury, everything.
Rolls-Royce perfection honoring Antarctic wildlife.
Tomorrow we wake her up.
For the penguins, for the research, for everyone who made this possible.
Press the start button, Sarah. Bring her home.
It's alive. It's really alive.
Antarctic explorer lives!
Taking her back to the penguins.
Where it all began.
Research station 20 kilometers, penguin colony thriving and waiting. They're here, the colony survived and grew, and now this vehicle honors them forever. Full circle, from their home to tribute to their survival.